Well, we have more bad news as yet another hedge fund now comes out publicly identifying that they were also affected with this huge collapse on FTX. This one being related to Ikigai, I think is how you pronounce this. Ikigai? I believe it's Ikigai. It sounds like it might be Japanese. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I highly encourage you guys to go do your own research. And with that being said, let's go and dive on into the news. Travis Kling here, who is the former LS Equities portfolio manager that fell down the crypto rabbit hole, now running the Ikigai fund. He says on Twitter, unfortunately, I have some pretty bad news to share. Last week, Ikigai was caught up in the FTX collapse. We had a large majority of the hedge fund's total assets on FTX. By the time we went to withdraw Monday morning, we got very little out. We're now stuck alongside everyone else. He goes on to say, we've been in constant communication with our investors since Monday. The amount of support we've received has been astonishing given the circumstances and deeply heartwarming. It was entirely my fault and not anyone else's. I lost my investors' money after they put faith in me to manage risk, and I am truly sorry for that. I have publicly endorsed FTX many times, and I am truly sorry for that. I was wrong. There's a lot of uncertainty about what's going to happen next. In the very near term, Ikigai is going to continue trading the assets we have left that are not stuck on FTX. We're also going to make a decision about what to do with our venture fund, which was unaffected by FTX. Over the coming weeks and months, the timeline and potential recovery for FTX customers will become clearer. Right now, it's really hard to say. At some point, we'll be able to make a better call on whether Ikigai is going to keep going or just move into wind down mode. There's a ton of pontification on bigger picture issues that could be done right now, but I just don't have it in me at the moment. I'm pretty disgusted with the space as a whole and kinda humanity in general. I'm at a loss for words at the depth and breadth of the pieces of crap that permeate crypto. So many effing sociopaths were granted the opportunity to do so much damage. It's hard for me to imagine the space bouncing back quickly from this ordeal. Too many got burned too hard. If crypto is to recover and continue on its journey to make the world a better place, I believe the entire concept of trust has to be completely re-architected. Bitcoin is trustless. Then we built all these trusted things around it, and those things have failed catastrophically. It's obvious now that the space has not done enough to identify and expel bad actors. We're letting way too many sociopaths get way too powerful, and then we all pay the price. If Ikigai continues on, we pledge to fight harder in this regard. It's a fight worth fighting. Finally, please be kind to one another. Here and in your daily lives, there's way too many bad people out there for the good people to act crappy too. Have empathy for your fellow humans. All right, so another hedge fund looking like it's on the verge of biting the dust. Not looking good. This is coming out as of today, November 14th, early in the morning. What other hedge funds are we still going to find out about? Are there going to be others? This might be a subjective thing on my part. Well, obviously it's a subjective thing because there are people that are willing to put their money, their funds in with that of hedge funds. I don't really like that idea. I've been really bitter about it ever since the whole debacle that went down with that of AMC, with GameStop, with Bed Bath & Beyond, with Nokia, that like those that are considered the meme stocks. If you know anything about during that time period, more specifically tying back over with Citadel, there's a huge negative sentiment that's there. And as all of that news started to come to light about the past history of what that hedge fund has done, the community rallying together, presenting that information, for someone like me, I look at that and I say, how on earth does anyone trust a hedge fund? It's so dangerous. But at the end of the day, it's your money. You make the decision of what you want to do with it. even if that means that you don't retain that money. If you're giving that money or those stocks, those cryptos, whatever, you're giving it to someone else and expecting them to be able to manage it better than you, that is a risk that you are willing to undertake. Because someone like me, I'm not a big fan of that idea. And guess what? Some people are not fans of centralized exchanges. And guess what? Everyone has a right to make their own decisions on these things. So what we're seeing right now is a large push of, a lot of pushback on hedge funds themselves. It's a blip in the system, right? Not every hedge fund completely collapses. Not every hedge fund is causing the same issues or doing the same problems. It's all circumstantial. I get it. We're seeing repeated behavior with these things. And to me, it's huge warning flags for myself and for many other people. But I would love to know what you guys think. Do you trust hedge funds? Do you like the idea of them? Do you think that moving forward that there should be restructuring and how much that they can handle or how they handle it? Do you have any specifics in regards to that? By all means, feel free to tell us down in the comments below. That's basically what I got for you guys in this video. Travis Kling here, apologizing. Substantial amount of losses, almost everything, he said. They just have a little bit, and they're actually still doing their trades with what it is that they have left, and they're trying to figure out what they want to do next as things kind of continue on going on. So tell us what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you so much, my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeman.com, Victor Vegas, Safeman Oz for being higher level patrons. Also, thank you to my YouTube members for your guys' support. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like button. Again, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Go consult with a financial advisor if you really want to get their opinion on hedge funds and stuff. I'm a dude on YouTube telling you what I've been seeing and what my point of view is. But take that tiniest little grain of salt. Go consult a financial advisor if you really, really want to. Thank you guys so much. And God bless. We'll see you in the next episode. Like cryptocurrencies, your DNA is made up of data. And with Self-Decode, you can discover more about your personal health. Self-Decode can help you improve your mood, optimize your health, balance your gut, improve heart health, reduce stress, reduce inflammation, optimize your cognition, and improve brain health. Their process is very easy. Simply register at the website, read the instruction manual and collect your DNA sample, place the sample into the specimen bag, put the entire box in the return envelope, mail the return envelope back to them, and then wait 6 to 8 weeks for your results. Their website is easy to use, easy to understand, and as someone personally who sits down a lot throughout the course of the day, having resources that are more geared specifically to me that I can optimize my health, it's a huge game changer. You invest into other things, and there's no greater investment than yourself. So get started with Self-Decode. Check out the link in the description.